Here's a free way to remove unwanted text or lines from a PDF document on iPhone, like this. Hope this trick works according to your needs to change or replace words. You need some extra effort covered at the end of this tutorial. First, open the PDF on your iPhone. By default, the PDF opens in Preview. Suppose I want to remove these text lines from my resume. Tap on the markup icon to start PDF editing. Now, tap on the plus button to add a shape. Tap on the Add Shape button and select the resizable square shape. By default, you can use gray shape color. To change it and match your PDF background, use the color picker. On the color palette, select the color picker and match it with the PDF background. Adjust it along the line in your PDF. That's it. To change or add new text, use Add Text and resize according to PDF font size and style. Refer to my separate tutorial to change or add new text in a PDF on an iPhone or iPad. If you have any question, then comment below. Please like to support me and subscribe for new video updates.